Welcome, guys. Happy Friday. Hopefully, this is Friday for you that you're watching this. Today, you are going to watch a video on YouTube, answer some questions, and then turn in the sheets. So let's get started. So you go to your class. We'll go to modules. Then we're going to go to day 5 because it's Friday, the Heal, Feed, Sustain video. So here we go. Today you're going to discover all about biotechnology by watching the following video. We've learned a lot about it on our own, but it's time that we heard it from someone else too. So as you watch the video, you're going to complete the sheet in your notebook. It's actually 2 sheets. One of them is all about the career field, so working in biotechnology. The other one is a little bit of data gathering, so you're only going to do the very top part of this sheet. And we will gather the data together in class. Okay? So be sure the picture is quality enough so I can read the writing. Mainly for this side of the sheet, I want you to tell me which field of biotechnology most interests you and why. So they're actually going to meet 3 different biotech people. I can't remember their names off the top of my head, but it goes along with our 3 different branches that we talked about. So I would like you to pick one that most interests you and tell me why for this left side of the sheet. That might not be the exact question, but that is your goal today. We're going to gather some data later on when I'm back in the classroom with you, and we will graph and chart and analyze it just a little bit. Remember to take a picture of your work when you've finished by using either a screenshot or just a picture from your Chromebook or computer. Make sure you're selecting the right file, and please make sure the picture is quality enough so I can read the writing to give you your grade. That's it. I hope you enjoy this activity. It's a pretty fun video. The video link's right here, about 30 minutes, and then if you are in class, you're going to discuss just a little bit with your peers and Miss Fran. Okay? Have a great day. Goodbye.